Kakong Bindas kalong kami kebelasem dak sin jam banyak ki dak basyongsat dengan mentala palat chispa kanta parking lot ke additional secretariat Shillong bandawa nak sarkar bansnapan bahai ke surok nongpo dan Sunapuri Boy district hakajan miet jong spotrik jilio arjar psau wat hadien bakal Kyllon hakajaka lekbar namar kajing telot penban kadang Kyntait ban Leit ki jaka sumar Watla kala don kajing ajing mut nagi doktor ke district medical health officer ke East Sales district ke Dr. TS Moment kala pentip bakadaw Kakong Bindas ke Kyllon kadai namar kajing Kiew ke blood pressure bat kani kalong kami kala don kami kajing sumar ha hospital bat lada kam Leit kan kala jing pang.
Our doctors had come. They have been doing this checkup. Today also they have come at 8:30 a.m. also and at around 5 p.m. also they have come. And then that time she was stable, but unfortunately after some time she collapsed while going to the toilet. So again we have immediately checked her up, and then her BP dropped, and then her pulse rate also was going up. So like we had advised her immediate hospitalization, tried to influence her that she needs immediate hospitalization to give IV fluids, but and we had already prepared, or we have already informed everywhere, and even we have kept ready the ambulance to take her to the hospital immediately, but she has refused, and so that is the status right now. So we are just trying to influence her till now also, but to no avail, sadly.
Have you speak with the relative? What did they say?
The relatives also, some of them they have understood. We have explained to them also, and they have tried to tell her also, but she's adamant.
So doctor, if she stays here more, will her health keep on deteriorating?
Yes, if she doesn't receive IV fluids, which is the need of the hour, she will not be, like her condition may deteriorate also. But of course she's taking ORS and fluids orally also. So like let's see. But she needs actually immediate hospitalization. We cannot give IV fluids here because it may cause infections. That's why and we will not be able to monitor the way we monitor in the hospital. That's
Now speak with the district commission. What will you now?
Yes, the magistrate is here also, and we are updating them.
Kumno ba Raju?
Kumne kong. Ale.
Kumno ki kam ki jam baro.
Hoi ki biang lor.
Ai ki ration jong menta ubnai.
Ha ta.
Ba ukau iu unia.
Kong undi udai khau plus F, ukau fortified.
Ukau 45? Henry ba ukau 45 ba uto ba ai barabor uya pher ayu. Uto ukau ba ai barabor umdei ubabha.
Kong. Kini ki jingbam ki bangi juba man kasngi ki kta ya ka kot ka khya ka jongi. Manta ngi dei ban sngau tu hi ba ki jingbam ki bangi bam ki long ni em ki batei ya ka met ka phat jongi. Ladangi bam ki jingbam ki bomtei ya ka met ka phat jongi. Ila banyo ya ka jingpang dunasnam mar ka jing bria ki kman.
Henry ba uni ukau 45 udan jinga dei kumno.
Yo iya ka jingtei ya ka met ka phat ka jongi nak jingbam ka bangi bam man la kasngi kum ka iron, folic acid, vitamin B12, iodine, zinc, vitamin A bat vitamin D. Namar ke jingduna jongkine ngien ngat hagi babun ki jajing pa ka sarkar ka persangkar bala banwanra ya ka kot ka khia ka FSSAI ka batha bau khau ata kamlu kadut bat ke ompnyang bam ki dei bandon ya ke jingbam ki bantei ya kamet knang baha ka shisngi ngila banyo laipo hadu sanpo percent kini ki jingbam bantei ya kamet bat lai kerteng yaki 45 ila banitu yaki ta ka sharp plus F haki
Ba uni ujing bam plus F pat ngila ban yo ne ai.
Nang ne kong nagani ka daw ka sarkar kalapan mi yaki skim ICDS MDM PDS kabha na ka banta upaj ba ka sarkar mi kalamang kerpang ha ka jingi trelang bat kidukan na ka ba kilapha daw khau ba bhatam na ka banta ki khna bat kilong kimi ki ba armen dei na ka ta ka daw patang da uni ujaj khau ba bhatam ban sam shabaro kilong yeng nang ni shakman tang da ukhau 45
fikran ya ka jing shisha.
Lawan Ra Shapi Lingba Ko Office Jong Commissionerate of Food Safety, Meghalaya.